Alright, welcome back to another video here. As you can see, the Ford is on the lift here, along with a lot of other projects in here. But as you can see, stacks are gone. I'm doing a little bit of exhaust work to this. It's getting annoying listening to the drone of those things, especially on the highway. Because here's what it was before. It was just kind of a half job of a 4-inch pipe on a 3.5-inch system. I stepped down, and the drone from this was awful. I had to have this piece to make it clear the frame, which was pretty restrictive. So that's all gone. That stuff's garbage. Putting a muffler on, just a straight flow through. It's not going to restrict the flow, but everything will be back. Will be 3.5 like it should. You really don't need a 4-inch. So I had to cut the hole a little bigger to make one of the pipes fit. Everything fit in there. So I'll show you what those pieces look like. Alright, so here are the pieces. I had the stacks come down. I used to have like a wide pipe that didn't clear the frame. So what we did was put a piece of square tube in here. It's 2 by 3.5, or no, 2 by 4? Yeah, it's like 2 by 4 is what this is, or 2.5 by 4. I think it's 2.5 by 4. And then we have a piece of 4-inch pipe that comes down through the elbow, 4-inch pipe into the muffler, and then to the 3.5. So it's 4-inch after the muffler, 3.5 before. So as you can see, that's on an angle there. That's the only way it would clear the frame and line everything up right. So we're going to spray these up nice and clean, because I'm sick of looking at the rust, and then get to installing this. Alright, the stacks are in there. See the muffler under there. Everything's hooked up. I just have to go swap one of these out, band clamps, for I have a 3-inch, I need a 4-inch. So let's fire this up and see what it sounds like. Honestly, it's got a good sound to it. It's a little quieter. It's also a little more throaty and deeper. Let's take it for a spin and see what happens. Alright, we're driving here. Let me turn my radio off. Right off the bat, it's pretty quiet, honestly. That took the edge off. It's got a see how it is when we get on it up here, but it sounds like it's got a whoosh, not like a turbo noise, but almost like a wind noise coming from the stacks. I know it's not the wind, so I guess we'll see what it actually sounds like. Crack our window. Hard to tell. Put the window up. See, I don't know if the camera's even going to pick this up. Off the stop, I'll give it a little more throttle and see if it'll pick it up. It's like I don't know. It's a good sound to it, I think. I mean, just at idle, you're actually able to talk without shouting, which is nice. Yeah, it's kind of a weird whooshing sound almost. It's like 7.3s are known to be raspy. It's like a tamed down version of that, but when you get on it, you can really hear it. Overall, I'd say it's a good sound though. Sounds pretty good. So I'll see if I can get some videos of outside the cab here once I get the exhaust clamp. Alright, we're getting this on the highway to see if I like the exhaust. Honestly, yes, it's pretty quiet. The exhaust is not drony. You really don't even hear it much, other than kind of a wind whistling sound coming out the stacks. I hope the camera picks that up when you get into it. But so far, I like the stacks, the way they sound now with the new exhaust put on there. Definitely a good upgrade, so you're not deaf when you get to the end of your drive. So yeah, that's what happens when you put a magnaflow muffler on a diesel. I always wondered what they'd sound like, and really it sounds just like a hushed version of what it is. Very hushed. Sounds kind of mean, honestly. But thanks for watching. Catch you in another video.